Hey Sherry, good morning. Market's pushed up higher. It's been a slow grind, or not really slow, but it's been a grind up since London Open. Pushing up here, 2,083, 20,283. We've seen this pattern over and over and over again. Let me show you something. So this is showing London Open, and you can see, look at the pattern, like just opens, grinds up. Not that day. Opens, grinds up, opens, grinds up, open, 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 grinds up. Like, it's just been doing that over and over and over. Kind of interesting. Yeah, continuing to push higher right now. Hasn't really broke the structure trend. Oops. We do have news. 9:45 Eastern. Hey, David Snyder, what's happening? Good morning. I had some deer in my backyard this morning. I was just videoing them. How's everyone doing? You guys trade last night? Anyone trade? We finished the stream up, let's see, 1100 something. This one I got at 836, these two evals. I got the funded account here and also an eval on the Apex. Hey, how's it going? Waza. Good morning. Big love from Nigeria. Oh, thank you. Awesome. Yeah, that's a haul from here. I can't get there by driving, that's for sure. But welcome. The market is ooh, that's interesting. That little, what's that? Equal highs there. Not quite. Really want to get some more Buellnox accounts. They're my kryptonite for payouts. I really want to build some up, get some payouts. Kind of just slow grinding higher now. We sweep that high again, and we did. Bit of resistance here at 286, but it's really hard to short unless it's just a scalp, just because, you know, we're just grinding higher and higher. Got the smoothie going this morning. I'm starving this morning. I usually don't eat until after I'm done streaming, but okay, pulling back here, 275s. Eric Lake, buddy, wanted to say I have a great day today. I have to go to Albuquerque, so no train for me today, be tomorrow. I'll make thousands for you, Eric Lake. I might have already. Thank you, Eric, man. Have a good day. Stay safe. All right, pulling back here. Do we hold this trend line up? Hey, Black Beauty, what's going on? Hope you're well. Heard you this morning on 0 Day J talking about burritos. Made me hungry. Amelia, good morning. Hopped on a little early this morning. I've been up for a while, so. Black Beauty, yeah. Saw the post in Discord. Oh, great. Yeah, sometimes I forget to send it. Just because I got on early, so. Oh, cool. I got my 1 thumbs down yesterday. Last night. Like every night. Which is kind of funny. Nice viewership last night, though. 600 views. Hey, Dal. Good morning. Farhat. What's happening, Farhat? How's it going? All right, pulling back here. 274. 275. Kind of just riding this channel up. But yeah, I always find this funny. So every night, see in this corner here, every single night we get a thumbs down by someone. Every turtle market. Every single one. During the morning, we don't get thumbs downs, but yeah, every single night. It's just it's hilarious. I don't know. It's funny. I have a stalker troll. Stalker troll. Oh, thanks, Dal. Appreciate that. It's gonna be a good day. Did you guys see the deer in the backyard? The video I sent on Discord? I was making my smoothie, and I look out my back window and there's some deer back there. So I ran outside to get a video of it. Good luck to you today, Dell. Keep it under what, 3,000 contracts today? Keep it under 3,000. Just kidding. All right, pushing right back up from 268. Still holding that trend. Still holding the trend. I already had 800. That's funny. Hey, it's working for you. Wow, just being bought right up again. So last night we were watching those book map people, and yeah, they were still doing that last night. They were, even after I got off stream, they were still throwing around those 400 lots. They're not there this morning. I'm looking. The order book looks normal at the moment. Look at that. I think we bust through this here. It's a little flat top. Hey, John Walk, what's happening? If I drink this smoothie, I'm gonna have to pee really bad, just so if I run off to the bathroom real quick, then you know why. TMI, I know, but still pushing up higher. Looking for that 20,300. The Firemeister. Nah, not too bad, but actually there's a lot of kale in it, Amelia. It just looks brown because I put protein powder in it. Yeah, there actually is a lot of kale. Yeah, it's not very appealing looking. There's kale, mangoes, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, a little bit of watermelon, protein powder, and some oats. And some chia and some flaxseed. Oh, and ginger. Lots of ginger. I love ginger. I usually put spinach in it too, but I didn't have any spinach. I gotta get some spinach. All right, right there at 277s again. Rejected off that level 286. Just feels like we're gonna bust through that eventually, but for now, we're just rejecting off it. I might try for a stab long here. Time we got? Oh, we got 10 minutes before the market opens. I thought it was earlier. We'll wait. We'll wait. We do have news at 9:45 Eastern. We have flash PMI 9:45, and FOMC Bostic speaks around 1. Trump speaking today. He always speaks at some point, usually every day now. But yeah, we got red folder news at 9:45. Just be aware of that. Say hi to Methodical. And get ready. Let's crush this. Let's bankrupt these prop firms, huh? Still waiting on my take profit trader payout though that I requested last night. I'm not gonna trade it. Definitely not gonna trade it. We're going up. Possibly Dell. On the other two calendars, it's not red, but on Forex Factory, it is. Yeah. I know, I notice that sometimes. See what it is on this. Yeah, we got it red on this. What is it? I don't even know what this is. Is it financial juice or something? Yeah, it's red on this one too. Yeah, lots of tariff talks, I guess, again today. All right, pulling back here. Boy, I would love to take this long if we weren't, 7 minutes from the open. Love to take this long. So, apparently something funny as I ended up getting like well over the consistency mark on the take profit trader account. I thought I had passed the account, but I must have been copy trading it with something. I don't know, I wasn't paying much attention. So I have to make, what do I have to make now? It's a little bit of a bummer, but it's all right. I'll show you. So I got to make 2,400 now on that 25K account. 2,401. So I'm at $1,940. I don't know why or what I did. I made 1,200 on Friday on it by mistake. Which is kind of funny. I don't know. It is what it is. I know, I don't even know what I was doing or what I was thinking. I don't even know. I might have been thinking I was trading a 50K account. Yeah, exactly, Amelia. Yeah, that's exactly what I was. Because I do have a 50K account too that I have almost passed, or I do have passed. I just gotta flip it. And I got them at the same time. So yeah, I got that 50K account there that I guess gotta pretty much flip. I need to make a little money, but it's okay. Couple shekels. All right, got market opening up here in a few minutes. I'm going to be trading my new PA here, copy traded to this 25K eval, and I have Bulanox evals, and I also have my funded futures pulled up. I'm still waiting on my payout from last night from Take Profit Trader, so I'm not going to be trading that until I get that payout. And yeah, so I have my funded futures. I also have a Top Step account funded that I'll be trading. Can't show it all at once, so I also did some trading on the personal last night, so we're up on that. But yeah, it's all good. It's Monday. Good luck, everyone. I hope everyone trades safe and green and don't go on tilt. I will be trading this PA pretty aggressively. It's brand new, so on their brand new accounts, I like to come out swinging, either good or bad. But yeah, I would so take this long right here. we weren't going to open here in 2 minutes. All right, so we are pushing down here, 260s now. Market opening up in 1 minute. Left that like just a weird top there. If I was a betting man, I'm gonna say that this is not gonna hold at some point. Especially, you'll see this on ES sometimes, but you never really see this on NASDAQ. This is very rare. Yeah, pulling back here. Let me get rid of this line now. This is gone. This is gone. All right, market is open, guys. Casino is open. Pushing down 250s now. Off to the races. Not surprised that we're taking back some of these weak longs on this push up. This is just kind of like a slow grind. All right, 250s now. Pushing lower. A small gap down here, 224s, 220 area. Got equal lows down here, 237.50. I think we take out those equal lows now. There it is. There's the equal lows. Took them up and then, yeah, that was a good trade there off that. You took it. Is the equal lows and highs, but I hear Methodical Man talking about it all the time, so I started watching for it on the 5 minute. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah, it's definitely something to watch for little targets. All right, pushing up 250s here. Bounce right off that 235 after we swept those equal lows and continue to bounce now. Like I said, I really think we'd take out this high 286 area just because we have like a quadruple top here. Pretty, I don't know, you just don't see that very often, so it's more of a just an I think trade. But continue to chop around. No real setup yet. All right, 244s now. I was saying that last night, Jay Stores. I'm like, who's gonna beat Duke? That's the thing. Who's gonna beat Duke? But yeah, of course, everyone's talking about Cooper flag up here. All right, pushing down now. Got that small gap. Small gap here. 227 to like 223. Just a small 5-point gap or so. Going for the GP. Yeah, I started the morning up almost 2%. Pretty good. I don't know what you guys think about the overall market as far as this gap, but feels a little bit like a dead cat bounce on the daily, but I don't know. Looking weak now. Taking a look at the hourly. Hey, full-time trader, what's going on? Time to YOLO for the Lambo. That's right. YOLO for the Lambo. All right, pushing up now. Did we sweep that 5-minute? We did, didn't we? Low. No, we didn't. It's hard to tell, and because of the. Well, maybe we did. Oh yeah, we did. The ORB, yeah, people that took the ORB short, they're just got taking some heat. All right, pushing up higher now. I think we take out those highs now. There it is. It's the push to the highs. I just knew that wasn't gonna hold. Those quadruple top there. That was so such weird price action for the NQ. Like, just don't see that. Hey, Raul, what's going on? That's your story and you're sticking to it, full-time trader? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that gap held, you know, from the overnight so far. The new week opening gap. Right there. I mean, how many points is that? I think it was over 100, if I remember. About 80-point gap, but yeah, the initial push was over 100 points. Very interesting. Oh, nice full-time trader. That's a nice day. So yeah, it's definitely like one of those things where you know, like the old Jim Dalton saying is, go with all gaps unless it's filled right away, you know. Well, I think if you see an opening gap like that on the overnight, in hindsight, obviously, like that's pretty bullish. 80-point gap like that. John, you short? Nice, good luck. Are you kidding me? They're back, Ryo? Huh. I wonder who it is. Wouldn't you love to know who it is? Is it really an institution or is it just someone with a lot of money? I don't know. Yeah, I was looking just before I got on this morning. We actually talked about it earlier and I didn't see those people on there. Yeah, last night, if you guys are just tuning in, there was some 400 lot traders. Trader. He kept popping in like 400 lots. He'd go up to like, at one point he had, I think 900, 700 lots. Like spread around, like so 2 400 lots, like one 200 lot, and then another 200 lot would pop up, and then one would disappear, and they kept moving it, like wanting the price to chase it, and yeah, it was quite crazy. All right, pulling back here, 267. Very choppy this morning on the 5-minute. I mean, we were just barcoding, pretty big range, but so far just barcoding. Well, actually not even that big. 63 points. Seems small nowadays. Just look bigger because I had it in 10s again. This is how I usually trade, is in 10s, but lately I've had it in like 20s. Just because the candles are so big. Smoothie is done. Be running to the bathroom in no time. Take a look at YM here. YM's pulling back as well. Kind of a nasty pattern on YM. Big wicks on both sides right now, pulling back to the middle. Yes, J Stores, good call. There is news here in 1 minute. Red folder news, just be aware, 1 minute. So I'm sitting on my hands until then. $260s now, just kind of chopping around. Getting the order books cleared out here. You can see they start to clear out on the book map. For the news. A fair amount of orders sitting down here, 20,200. Also a bunch up to 20,300. Big psych levels. There's the news. That is not an inside bar I'm going to take. How does TPT decide the ones you can or can't trade? They usually send you an email, so it's usually the bigger ones. You know, like non-farm and things like that. Yeah, they usually send you an email. I don't know. I stay flat for all news events now because it's just like I don't know, you just get so much like the platforms freeze nowadays, especially with the props. So like even the like when you're trying to pass evals, you know, like YOLO them during the news. It's not even worth it because they freeze up and you never get filled correctly. Yeah, CPI, yeah, non-farm. Yeah. The big dogs. Pulled those orders down at 20,200. It's like it's going for that 300. There's the 300. Doing a lot of call-outs and not a lot of executing this morning. Still a nice push there off the inside bar. Just a little scary when the news is like that. Yeah, for sure. Full-time trader, not trading is your best trade at times. Absolutely. Absolutely. Pushing out 313s. Looking bullish. Getting into some consolidation up here. think the springtime allergies are starting to take effect. Starting to get itchy. As soon as the leaves start like popping out just a little bit on the trees, that's when I start getting allergies. Short again. Tis the season, Rado. Yeah, I definitely am not complaining. But it's so cold this morning. 23 degrees. Can't live without Allegra. Yeah, Amelia, 23. So cold. And no sun. Just cloudy. That's why the deer were moving out back. They're moving around. Cold, crisp morning. Alright, 300s to 313s now. Should have took that long, but oh well. Still pushing higher. 320s now. Next, magical 20s. Really didn't get much resistance there at the 300s. It just kind of blasted through it, really. Love to get a little pullback here to hop in along, I'm thinking. Maybe if we can get back to 290s, something like that. Maybe try for a long. Just 1 minute. Maybe a little 9 touch. Get that pullback. It's not looking like it wants to, though. Little FOMO action. Nine's moved up to 302 now. $320s again. Take a look at YM. That's kind of interesting. Long 2 YM, long 1 YM on each account. Price of Arizona already in the mid 90s. Wow. I could use that. I don't know about mid 90s. Mid 80s would be good. So we're at long YM. Stopped at 745 below this inside bar. This is a 945 aggressive school run. Also an inside bar. Figured it may be worth a shot. We'll see. And we might just continue to get a trend day. Should be nice. Risking 345 bucks. We'll see. I really wish I had my should take the money out of my take profit trader account so I can trade that bad boy. Nasdaq's up 328 now. Doesn't really look like it wants to stop at this point. Break the highs, 827 on the YM. Nasdaq continuing to push higher. ES looking strong. 5801. That's really weird, John. I know they pay out on certain days, right? Still, or am I making that up? Yeah, certain dates or days, like on the 15th, or I don't really know. One of my YouTuber I watch is in St. Louis. They're going from 80s to snow the week before. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. So yeah, looking for the breakout play here. So, we could take some heat on this trade, but stop's where it is. I like where the stop is. It is what it is if, it happens, but stop's in a good place and only risking 345. So they're pushing the highs a little bit. Nasdaq up to 334, 335. Heading for those. Let's see where it could be heading. To the moon. 370s, I think. Be first stop. Really not much momentum in the YM, but it is still pushing higher. Still getting in on the Nasdaq if I can. There's a little 9 touch there. At the top of the hour. NASDAQ pulling back. Three tens now. $320s. All right, YM's pulling back some. Yeah, last year in Maine, we barely got any snow. It was weird. We had like an open season. They call the like the lakes and the rivers and stuff didn't really freeze. It's crazy. Really not digging the price action on the NASDAQ. YM's pulling back. Yo, what's up? What's going on? Quite the pump, Keegan. Yeah, for sure. Overnight, the new week opening gap, the overnight, 80 points, and hasn't looked back since. All right, NASDAQ's pulling back. 3 tens now. really struggling right here, 320s. Hard to trade this action? Yeah, I'm finding it difficult too. Hey, Honest Take, what's going on? Good morning. I am long YM if you guys are just tuning in. I haven't taken any trades on the PAs for NASDAQ. Really just kind of nasty price action at the moment, like Alyssa was saying. To me, I'm not really liking any of this. I think if NASDAQ has a big pullback, I don't think the YM's going to hold up either. This is NASDAQ pulling back, pushing back to the 300s. See if we hold those 300s. Immediate rebound, bounce off 20,300. Looks like we're gonna bust through them. Holding up. YM is green. There's a little flush on NASDAQ. I'm gonna close this. I don't know. Still holding up though. Really pushing down now. What's ES doing? Looking for 250s for a long, possibly. Yep, maybe. Bulls are relentless, nasty trap. Yeah, that was pretty nasty. YM is just holding up though. I think I'm gonna close it though. NASDAQ is looking weak. I close my YM. Nasdaq's just looking very weak. See if I made a mistake. See, YM's holding up though. This could just be a normal pullback on an NQ. Could just start ripping faces off. Kind of get a bit of a trend line too. Not much of one, but kind of see up through here. But this was a nice trend line break. Up through here. I don't know. I don't know about you guys. I'm just not feeling this. I don't know what it is. I'm just not feeling it. Is it those guys throwing 400 lots around again? Is that what it is? You guys were watching last night. It was quite crazy. I think Nasdaq's gonna flush. Fill the gap. It's gonna go fill the gap. Where is that gap? Where is it? Way down here. Let's mark that out. Oh, I got paid. I got paid from Take Profit Trader. All right. Good day, good day. $3,500. 3,428. It's crazy when you make those large amounts and they take out 20%. That's a lot of money that they take out. I don't like it, but it's the cost of doing business, so. Right there. Dear Jason. So that's good. I can trade that account now. If I see something. Nice push back up there. 320s. What's YM doing? Not much. YM's not doing much. Market's not really slow, but that saying never short a slow market. Because we're not getting that much of the back and forth volatility right now. We're just getting, you know, small pullback and then push straight back up. I don't know, price action is just a weird thing. Feels like we're going to take out the highs. That's even like, I don't know. Go for a long, it's like, where do you place your stop, you know? Hopping in along here. We can take out the highs. Stops at break even. See that boner candle up through the 40s. Doesn't want to do it. A little discretion, honest take, to be honest with you. I get a little flat top here, breakout, but then we got that little micro pullback, and you can see it just kind of reacted as we were pulling back on that pretty bullish candle. It's a lot of discretion on that one, honest take, to be honest. The honest take. I also was looking at the 9 touch here. That was the other reason on this 1 minute. Start to break even. Shut my heat off. I don't know, this still could be a play. I might have to just hop in and place a fairly wide stop. Now it's going to go without me. Staying pretty conservative with this account this morning. See what the YM's doing. YM is not doing anything. Kind of paper handed that trade there. Feels like we want to break the highs. Yeah, that's what we were looking for. I'm a little shaky this morning. I don't know. Hey, Chef Chris, what's going on? Could you enter in again the same spot, looking for the wick test? Let's try it. See if we can pull back to 22. Look for the wick test. It is double top though. This is double top. I don't know, there's just, right now, to me, there's just no reason to fight this trend. We are just trending higher. And I just feel like I need to be in on it. And we're not going to get enough pullback there. There's pop the top there. Alright, that trade's invalid. Took it off. Didn't quite get the wick test we wanted. What was the low? Yeah, I was looking for a little more. I was looking for like 22, 21. Continuing to push higher. A very large order sitting at the 400s. Pretty large order. Hey, pushing up 340s now. Can we break 345s, head to 350s, and then 400s? I don't know. I think it's in play. This is really feeling like a trend day, guys. It's just like click the button and hold on. Click the button and hold on. Well, honest take, That was a good entry. I freaking paper handed it. I don't know. Not feeling it. I'm gonna take my ball and go home. I'm just not feeling it. I don't know what it is. Sometimes you just don't feel in tune. It's the saying, you feel out of pocket. That's how I feel. I feel out of pocket. That's all good. It's all good. We made some good money last night on the personal account, so I don't mind. You know what it is? It's that smoothie. That smoothie did me in. I need some bacon and eggs. No kale. Kale threw me off. Chef Chris. That's what it was, like all that kale. Straight to my brain. Alright, pushing out 340s now. Look at YM. Paper handed that one too. Just paper handing everything. It's all good. 335s. Try for a cheap long here, or is this oops. Just double click the button. Try for a cheap long here. Try it. If we can break them highs. Looks like it wants to put in an inside bar though, don't it? Rip it. Bottom of the hour here in 1 minute. Actually, it's gonna set the initial balance too, which I don't know, because I got on early this morning with you guys. It feels early, later in the morning than it actually is. Paper hands get paper cuts. That's right. So my target on this is the moon. That's my target. In case you're wondering. But it's more of a discretion, I think. Maybe a good spot for a cheap long, and that's why I'm in. Alright, got an inside bar there. Love to see a break to the upside off the inside bar. Now we got the break to the downside. Nice reaction, prior bar low. Getting bought up there. I like that. Usually when you see something like that quick, although it is the bottom of the hour, sometimes you get a nice sweep to the top side of that. So hopefully, because we're in long, that's what happens. If we do, we should break the highs, 47.50. Because you know, like a lot of people just try to go short there. So if we break this, their stops are usually like right here at 45. So if we run those, we should get a little pop. But don't know, I'm gonna break it first. 45 area. Pushing up 42s there. So if we break that 45. No. Is this nasty? I don't know. This is just nasty. NQ is being nasty today. Maybe it's just me. There we go. This is the push here. See if we break those 45s, it should pop up through the highs, I'm thinking. There's the pop through 45. Not really getting that pop though, but there it is. There's the pop. Trying to hold this, but it's looking a little nasty. 350s there for the high. I don't think that's gonna hold. Oh boy, what a nasty pullback. Hey, Yoma, what's going on, buddy? I am looking pretty good though. I got some red light therapy yesterday. I'm looking pretty good. I'm doing okay, Yoma. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it today. I'm feeling a little out of sync. How you doing, Yoma? We're in danger now, getting stopped out on this. Yep. There it is. Smart, Yoma. Very smart. We've only entered 2 trades. And I'm with you 100%. I'm not digging the price action. Not digging it. But, you know, we're down $300 on these accounts. It's fine. I'm up. Oh, I don't know. From last night, like 4,000 or something in the personal. Something like that. Let's take a look. Yeah, I can't get nothing going this morning though. This was all from last night. $4,015. Not bad. Puts us over 50,000 for the month. But yeah, that was all last night trading. And I was going, full transparency, I was going in with 5 contracts last night. After I got off stream. 5 contracts. 5 minis. $1,000 every 10 points. $100 a point. This is just nasty. How you guys doing today? Is anyone like, what do you guys, are you guys green or red or just like watching like me or what? I'm feeling like I should have just stayed in this YM trade and just held it the rest of the day. Simon and Lee not doing good. Yeah, this is like the haramis and the inside bars and everything I tend to trade just not working that well today. Actually not really putting in what I call harami. Of course, you know, I'll say inside bars for these yellow ones, and then haramis are, to me, something like this candle right here. That's what I want to see. Something like that. Take the long here. Target the top of this candle. Stop goes below. Easy peasy. Go touch grass after. I'm not really getting that. I don't see any of them like this. Inside bar break here. Pretty good. If you ended up getting in the ORB short, you got burned. If you flip the switch, you might have done something, but you know, you still took a lot of heat. So you took a 15-minute orb. Yeah, that's I don't know, it's so tough. But yeah, it works. Definitely works. Yeah, wouldn't it be something we just completely rug pull and come all the way back, take out that gap? Wouldn't that be wild? Could happen, I guess. Feeling a little dumpy. It's feeling heavy. I'm gonna enter short here. It's feeling heavy to me. Getting bought right back up though. If I get stopped out on this, this is gonna be the last trade on these accounts. Getting trapped again. On to tomorrow, Yoma. Nice, stopped out again. Right there. Not looking good. Oh yeah, I see you've been making some bread. So I put a little separate channel in the Discord for food pics. If you guys want to check that out on the Discord, if you guys are foodies. So Yoma can post his bread making skills. All right, Dylan. Yeah, I'm getting chopped up too. Not looking good. I don't know about this price action, guys. I'm just not feeling it. Glad I made some money last night because I have a feeling I would be down pretty big. Personal. If you made money, take your money and run. Look at that. Kicked in the tick there. I mean, I was going on the momentum play, I get that, but just can't get nothing. kind of a bull flag, sort of. Long. This could spell the end of these accounts. This is the end. My only friend, the end. This is why I don't sing and play guitar at the same time. You guys just heard it. Heard it here first. I think we take out the 350s. Push. Push up to the 350s, please. Just give me that. Don't blow him? That's alright, Yoma. It's just one PA, so it's not a big deal. If I blow it, I'll pass another one this afternoon. It's all good. I think we pushed to those 350s though. I really do. There's a little sweep of 350. Can we get another leg up through? 370s, please. I'm long in everything too, by the way. There we go. There's a nice push there. Taking 2 off. I think we get up to 370s. Eventually. Might be in a week from now, but I think we push up through there. But it's just going nowhere fast, huh? Thank you, Chef Chris. So this was just a bull flag break. That's all I was looking at. We are above the initial balance high too. We've already retested here at 347. Be interesting if we stay above it. We don't have to worry about the intraday trailing on these accounts because I don't think I've been green on them yet. It's always a positive being in the red, right? Don't have to worry about the intraday trailing. So yeah, so I'm long on my pro account, I'm long on my Top Step X account, I'm long on everything. Let's see the push up to the 360s. It is, John. It's going nowhere fast. Usually in NASDAQ, you know, you're ripping. $354 now. Testing that initial balance high, 347.50. They put it in our Rami though. Let's see if we can hold that IBH. It's breaking down below it there. All right, we got back, I don't know, $350 or so on that trade. Look how freaking dirty this is. Oh, I can't take it. Yeah, it is painful, John. Interesting if we close the strong close above the IBH. That'd be interesting. Just for continuation. Right now, it's not really like wanting to. I'm currently up $15 in my pro account, guys. I can get a $15 payout. I can get, you know what I can get? Chipotle. My take profit trader payout today. Look at that. $15. Withdraw it. Oh, I would. Hey, Rayu, at the end of the day, if I'm up $15, I will withdraw it. I'll put that sucker right in the account. Right in the wallet. Need a full tank of gas also for the drive. True. So I probably should make, yeah, I need another. Well, my Corolla takes about, it takes $30 to fill it, and I can drive that sucker for like 2 weeks. So yeah, so I need a little bit more. Actually, I think I'm gonna go to, where am I gonna go today for lunch? Harvest Moon Deli, I think. Next to the gym. Get me a steak sandwich. Yeah, this price action is just garbage. Yes. Yeah, for sure. Chef, yeah. I definitely need some protein. Yeah, it's weird. The market is just, I don't know, not digging it. Like this is a nice, like normally like this is a pretty nice setup right here, this harami candle. So it'd be interesting if we ended up coming down and taking out the lows here, but it's kind of like just unwilling to push lower though. You know what I'm saying? It looks like it's gonna do this again. Flag, break, flag, break. You know, you had it here too. The open, kind of flag, break. That's just kind of the pattern that's happening. So it'd be interesting if we can get down in the 320s. I mean, it could happen off this harami. I just, for some reason, am not trusting it, and I don't know, I'm struggling. See what the YM's doing now. Still grinding higher. How much did we get our paper hand off our original entries? 814s. 58 points. Like when I back test this 945 break on the aggressive school run, like I look for 130 plus points. Right now we're at about 58. So yeah, currently down $350 on the PA and 339 on this eval. We were down almost 700. Got back a pretty nice trade. We could have been break even, but I was looking for. I'm not a break even trader. I like to win. So yeah. So currently flat. Up $131 on me. Ooh. There we go. Finally. Finally some movement. Up 131 on my Express account. And up $15 on my Take Profit Pro account. Up $4,000 in my personal account. That should get me some extra guac. Maybe extra queso too. Get extra queso and extra guac. I'm gonna double meat that too. All right, so 340s here. Did we sweep that candle? Just like, oh man, we left the equal lows there. Ooh, this is looking juicy. Oh, we did leave equal lows. Do I take this? I'm taking it. This could be a bad trade. Do not follow this trade. Oof. I'm only taking it in this one account so far. We left equal lows down here at that candle. It's pretty interesting. 28s. Well, that's not looking good. Missed us by a tick. Probably gonna get us on this run though. What was that? Some news candle or something? No eggs. There's only one serving of guac these days. Yeah, you're not wrong about that. Lunch costs, you know, at fast food restaurant, any lunch costs $15 usually. You know, Chipotle or Subway or I try to go to the local places, delis and stuff. Alright. That's it. That's all I got. I don't know, guys. I'm not feeling this. I'm sorry. I will see you guys tonight, 6 p.m. I'll let you guys know what happens to my accounts, but I gotta walk away for a bit. So, I need to go touch some grass. Lack of. Go to the gym, blow off some steam, get some lunch. Come back tonight and do it all over again. So smash the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Use code PINE for Apex and Buellnox. Still running pretty good deals right now, 80% off. So, and Terry Trades 100, all caps, Take Profit Trader, and MM for My Funded Futures. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Stay safe the rest of the day. It's just another flag break. It is what it is. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy.